You want to download programs from download.com or download.cnet. Once you start typing it in, it should automatically come up. So I just typed in download, and the first one is this one. This is what you want to go to, download.cnet.com. Once you click on it, here's different tabs. Download, use, all that good stuff. So on the right hand side, it's the most popular downloads. This is a good antivirus. This one I have. It's free. It's another one. I have this on my other computer. It's good. Malwarebytes. This is another good malware program. Advanced System Care. I also have this. Team Viewer. That's what I use to connect to other computers to help with the computer without actually going to the house. And this is a good media player. It plays all kinds of media. That way you're not just restrained to just using the ones that you might have. And you can click on this to see more of them. And it ranks it by position of the week. Now, if you wanted to, you could also search here. What you want to do is you want to get Firefox or Chrome, Google Chrome. But Firefox is what I'm using right now on this computer. Once you type it in, it's going to be this one right here. And all you do is you either click on here to get more info, or you can just go to download. And then this is the editor's review. Sometimes they also have custom reviews as well. Tells you how to install it. There's different things. And here's a little movie or video about it. See, this is another one, Google Chrome. I have this as well. Every once in a while, if I start getting problems on Google Chrome, I'll go back to Firefox. I prefer Google Chrome, but Firefox is really good. So this is, like I said, this is the one I'm using right now. What you don't want to use is Windows Explorer. You don't want to use that. Google Chrome or Firefox. And then you can read the pros and cons if you like. Then you can just click on download, the green button. And once you click on that, you just wait a few seconds. It'll automatically come up. Then a save file. I'm going to download it. And I just finished downloading it, so it's doing another one right now. Scan for viruses, and it's done. I can either click down here, or since this window's up, I can just double click it. Takes a few seconds. Okay, now it's up. I'm just going to close out of this. I'm also going to close out of this one as well. So it's going to tell me to close. And right now I have two tabs open, this one and this one. So I'm just going to go ahead and click close tabs. I'm going to go ahead and hit run. And just take a few seconds. You're going to go ahead and hit next. do the standard installation. Next. And then leave this check mark on. It's going to use Firefox as your default web browser. This is how you're going to get on the internet. So leave this check mark on. I am going to turn it off because I use Google Chrome as my default. But for you, leave this one on. That'll be your default Firefox. And then I'm clicking upgrade, but you would just hit next or finish. And then it's going to launch it now. So I'm going to click finish. It'll take a couple seconds for it to come up again. Okay, now it's up. And that's it. And that's how you install Firefox. And again, I'm just going to type in download. And then it takes a few seconds. And then it's going to be this first one right here, download.cnet.com. Now what I'd recommend you do is go ahead and save this, and that way you can go back to it whenever you want. What you do is you get this little icon that's right here to the left of the address. You click, you hold down, and you just drag it. And you'll see this little blue indicator, and that's just saying where do you want to put it. And I'm going to put it at the very end. So it's going to be in this little bar area. I'm going to let go. And now this is my tab. So I'm going to click on a different tab. So whenever you're getting on the internet, and say you're on a different page, and this will also tell you, about Firefox. But say you're on a different page and you want to go back to the download area, all you'd have to do is click on your little tab here. Once you click on it, it'll take you back to the CNET page. So you're not having to type in download every single time and then look for it. And you can also do that with your Facebook page, with your email page, with the websites you like to go to. All you do again is you just click this little icon to the left of the address. You click, you hold it down, and you drag it, and you can put it wherever you want. And then if you have more than the space allows, it'll actually give you a drop-down menu. See, here's the little arrows. So all you'd have to do is click on this arrow, and it gives you a list of all the other ones that you have. And then if you want to remove them, all you got to do is just right-click, delete, right-click, delete, whichever ones you don't want.